check out my new RAMIA Workbench from Carpetech. This is the Premium Monster 1700 with the optional cupboard. These are an excellent quality professional workbench. They're made from solid beech in the Czech Republic and then sent to you flat pack. So all you've got to do is put it together. Before I put it together, let's cop a good squiz at it and see what you get in the box. Legs, rails, vice hardware, bolts, screws, glue, dowels, handles, absolutely everything you need, including bench tops. The bench top itself is 1700 wide and about 620 deep, which includes the tool well. There are dog holes throughout the bench top as well as in the front vise and tail vise and along the apron. And when you look underneath the bench top, not only do you get an idea of the overall great quality of the workbench, but you can see everything is pre-drilled and it's really quite obvious to see how simple this is going to be to put together.